Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with Target Trading Academy for your micros market recap. Today is Tuesday, February 8th. It is almost 4:40 p.m. Eastern Time here. Let's just get straight into it with oil, micro oil here. We opened the gap down in oil from yesterday's close. The overnight market brought us there, and we opened well below the range from yesterday. We had quite a bit of selling at the initial period, blowing through this level here that we had, and then immediately turning around and having a ton of selling, meeting the overnight lows and then making some newer lows where it finally settled out and decided to melt up towards its high, but ultimately finished net down from yesterday in this area here. Several entries, both trending and off of our high volume areas that we give our students out each night. Gold wasn't as great as I thought it would be. It was just melting up the entire time. We opened inside of yesterday's range, pretty much at the close for the most part. And then that's when the melt came, and they tried to test the opening areas here twice, but the buyers held, and we finished net positive for the day. Moving on to our equities here, ES, micro ES. Again, we opened inside of the range from yesterday, well below the close though. Let's get back here so we can look at this. First, beginnings of the market opening, it's pretty volatile, so this is very common for this to shoot up and down and vice versa. Reality of it is just it was going sideways for a good portion until it decided to break to one area and come down here and give one entry to go short. But for the most part, once it broke down, that's as low as it really wanted to go, and then the buyers stepped in and we just started melting up in the micro ES. And then of course that after lunch craziness towards the end takes effect, and the ton of buying and selling is just going everywhere and it's moving around. It's pretty amazing to watch just to see how manipulated it is. But again, you can see these entries off these HVAs that we give our students each night holding really well, and the methodologies around them giving tons of winners. Nasdaq, not much different, almost the same story. It did open inside of the range as well as the micro ES did. If you scroll back here, you can see it. Let's see here. Boom. Excuse me. Opening inside the range. Again, the volatility bringing up. It did open below the close. I will note that. And then again, finding a low in this area from the opening low. And then they tested it again, making a new low. And this is when buyers stepped in, much like the ES, and then just melted up. And giving those entries off of our high volume areas, as I'm pointing out. And then again, after lunch, those shenanigans that they pull where they just drive the market, almost doing 2/3 of the range today in the last hour or so, and then back up. So yeah, needless to say, our equities, the Dow and the ES here, micro Nasdaq and micro ES, are finished net positive for the day as compared to yesterday. If you're interested in finding out more information about these high volume areas and how you can get them on your platform for your the night before your next trading endeavor, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. If you are interested in learning the methodologies about how to trade around or with these HVAs, again, feel free to reach out to us. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettradingacademy.com and get in touch with the representative at either location. And you'll quickly find out why we are the #1 trading education in the world and why we have so many live, profitable students in our rooms each day. We look forward to seeing you.